want my next baby like right now. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. Tyler and I will be having a mommy and son date today. We're going by the beach, so we're gonna have a full-on beach day, but I decided to have an early start today, so I'm going early. It's not even 11 a.m. as yet and we're already at the bus stop waiting for the bus. It's just one bus, takes me less than 5 minutes and we're there. So I'm all packed. I have stock of goodies. I decided to go early because I don't want when the sun is pelting out like crazy. That's when I'm leaving to go. That's more like when I should be leaving to get back home. So baby's off to work as usual. It's Friday. Happy Friday. And Tyler is here chilling in his stroller. Say hello. Blow them kisses. Yeah. And I say hi. Say hi. Oh, sweet boy. Say bye. Bye. Oh. So we are going to the beach. Say beach. Beach. Oh, give mama a kiss. Can mama have a bizu? Mama. Give mama. No, give me. Me more. More. I don't want a hand kiss. I want lips kiss. He gave me his hand. He's something else. Alright you guys, we're all swagged. I have my umbrella because you know your girl ain't doing the sun, but because of Tyler and baby's not with us, I'm sure I'm definitely gonna have to do the sun, but that's okay. We have our food, we have snacks, we have water, we have sunscreen, we have our umbrella, and we're ready to go for a wonderful day. So beach day, let's go. Wait. You guys, I got the perfect spot that I wanted. It's just perfect. So we're here and Tyler of course want a snack already. I'm gonna show you what the view is like in front of me. The water is just right here in front of me, so that's perfect spot, so I don't have to go too far. There's a plane passing over my head. I'm gonna hear a lot of that today. And there's lots of people out already in their numbers where I am, so I'm sure up that side is more busy with people, but I think I get the perfect spot, so I'll set for that. And Tyler so want to go in the water already, right Papa? Gonna jump in the water real quick, huh? Yeah? You guys, I just saw I don't remember what it's called. I just saw it's what they call this stingfish that you see in the water. I don't remember what it's called, but I just saw one of those, and I'm kind of scared to make Tyler go back down there, so we're taking a break. So you guys, what I just saw in the water was a jellyfish. It was so close and it was so huge, so I decided to just take a little break from the water and have some lunch before I take back Tyler in, because I wouldn't want one of those to sting him or me right now. So we're just taking a little break. Where are you going? Seems like he's all ready to go home. He's been pointing on the street. You ready to go home? Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey Fizz, your girl is tired, super tired. I think it's the beach that drained me a little bit. Well, it definitely did drain Tyler, because he fell asleep on his way home, and I was hoping that he wouldn't fall asleep. So I just had to take him up and put him in his bed just as he was, because I wasn't going to wake him up at that point to give him a shower and then put him back down to sleep. So I let him sleep, and he had a good nap, and he's now awake and bubbly as usual, and I'm here trying to get some stuff done as usual. Forever be working. The beach was so good, but Tyler was over it and he was ready. I also think that he was tired, and he keep pointing to the road and walking away, so I know that it was time. But he had a good time, and he was loving the water. But girl, that jellyfish that I saw in the water, it was a bit questionable, so I didn't mind that he was ready really to go. So I had told the other parents around to be careful because they were jellyfish. So I don't think jellyfish is that safe for the kids, or matter of fact for anybody at all. So it's a good thing that I was being alert and looking around in the water, because the water is so beautiful. It is so clear. The only thing I regret about that beach is that it's stones and it's not sand. I think if it was sand, Tyler would enjoy it more, like the beach that we went in Antibes close by. But that's okay. I think also because of all those rocks where we were, it's good for like fishes and crabs and those kind of things, and like the jellyfish to be around. But it was kind of surprising to see the jellyfish that close to the edge of the water. Those things would normally be all the way out. But yeah, it was kind of scary, but I'm happy that he had a good time, and we really wanted some beach time. So that was awesome. Now that I'm back home, I'm going to jump into the kitchen and make some dinner, because I need to go to the supermarket. It's Friday, so it's supermarket day officially. But first I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression. So the Jamaican expression for today is cockroach no business in a fowl fight. You get it? Make sure you get it. Cockroach no business in a fowl fight. That simple means if you see two persons arguing, do not go into the argument, because it have nothing to do with you. Don't get involved in something that have nothing to do with you. So stay out of the fowl's fight because you are a cockroach, and fowls normally eat cockroach. So if you go in that fowl fight and you get eaten, I won't be sorry for you, girl. Hey, sweet boy, come here. Come here. Ah, hello. Give mama a kiss. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Hey. You want water? Say please. Please. Say please. Right. Oh, you want the bubbles? You want mama to blow bubbles for you? Come let me blow bubbles. No. You blow it, say. Blow. Blow. Whoa! You did it! You did it! High five! You did it! I'm so proud of you! Oh my god! You did that for the first time? Do it again. Whoa! Blow. You're laughing. Whoa! Blow. Harder. Whoa! You did it, Papa. Blow. Whoa! Good job. Blow. Again. Harder. Blow. Blow it. Harder. Again. Whoa! You understand the meaning of hard. You did that. Good job. Give me a kissy. Mwah. Good job. Oh my god, I'm so proud of him. These little things is what get me excited to grow him up and to be his mama, to see all these things. It just makes me get cuckoo crazy. It just makes me get cuckoo crazy, and it just makes me want my next kid like right now. I want my next baby like right now. It's just so exciting. To have your own kids is just an unexplainable feeling. It's such a joy. It's just amazing. Say later, say bye. 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 Say I love you. Oh, give me kissy. Mwah. Hey guys, baby's home and we're at the supermarket trying to get our weekly supplies. So we're just trying to pick up some goodies and then head home. You guys, this is the international section where I get all my coconut milk, my baked beans, my peanut butter. Everything international is right here. Easy to find. So if you don't find it in this section, I wonder if I should take some macaroons. I haven't had macaroons in a long time. The other international section in this supermarket, they have sweet potato, they have chocho, ginger, okra, cassava, plantain, hot pepper. Everything international is here. Lychee. I say lychee, but I don't see. You guys, I promised myself that I'm gonna have donut this weekend. So babe took a pack with 10. I tell him to find a smaller packet like no, I don't mind. Baby, you sure that when you take a pop chocolate? Okay, because I saw you take it up here and all these are strawberries. All these pastries are just so tempting. Look at these cakes. Oh Lord, this one looks yummy. This one looks really yummy.
This one is very yummy too.
This one looks cute. I'm not a strawberry kind of fan, so I would love that one. Like but this one is my favorite.
No, it's not this one.
It's not this one?
No, this one is strawberry. This one is in raspberry. But it's not the other one you love. But well, I eat all of them.
Babe, you eat everything. Well, Tyler's birthday is coming up. Babe's birthday is coming up, so it's time to start planning. Hey faves, we're back home from the supermarket, and of course Tyler helped us to unpack before he went to bed. So he unpacked and put him to bed, and now we're just here chilling, watching.
And about to go to bed too.
We're watching this reality thing that we love to watch on a Friday night. And yes, babe is about to go to bed because you guys know that I have to go scroll social media in bed first before I fall asleep. The Jamaican expression for today was cockroach no business in a fall fight.
Bombat. Cockroach, no business in a full fight.
Right. So it simply means that when you see two persons arguing, don't get involved in it.
Okay.
What's the French expression or word for today?
So today is gonna be a word and not an expression, because it's the opening of the sale and we're going to do some shopping. So the French word gonna be chaussure. Chaussure just means shoes, but I know she's gonna get a lot of chaussure because she loves chaussure. So that's gonna be the French word for today. Say it.
Chaussure.
Right.
Alright you guys, so there you have the French word and the Jamaican expression for today, and we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog with our tired self. So thank you guys for always watching. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time watching. Catch up and keep up. Oh, give this video a thumbs up too. How dare you not thumbs up? Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Guys.
Bye guys.